like. Ugh. Gonna add the salt, pepper, and coriander. Here's the baby, the embryo, whatever, the yolk thing. We got the coriander. This is our special lemon chili sauce. Oh my god. Let's go straight in with the baby. Good Thanksgiving. First hit. Cheers.